জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছাকল্পতরু জয় জয় ভগবান জগতের গুরু জয় জয় রাম কৃষ্ণ অখিলের স্বামী জয় জয় গুরু মাতা জগত জননী জয় জয় দোহাকার যত ভক্তগণ সবার চরণ রেণু মাগে অধম।
Born in an Orthodox Brahmin family, Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev knew the formalities of worship, its rites and rituals. The innumerable gods and goddesses of the Hindu religion are the to look on God as the ideal father, ideal mother, ideal husband, ideal son, or ideal friend. But the name ultimately leads to the nameless, and the form to the formless, and the world to the silence, the emotion to the sincere realization of peace in existence, knowledge, bliss absolute. For instance, to secure himself external purity, the priest bathes himself in holy water and puts on a holy cloth. He purifies the mind and sense organs by appropriate meditation. He fortifies the place of worship against the evil forces by drawing around it circles of fire and water. He awakens the different spiritual creatures of the body and invokes the নমস্কার, সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি আমাদের শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ এ বায়োগ্রাফি নামক এই সেগমেন্টটি। আমরা এই সেগমেন্টটি শুরু করেছি শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ এ বায়োগ্রাফি নামক এই বইটি থেকে, রিটেন বাই স্বামী নিখিলানন্দজি মহারাজ। আমাদের আজকের এই এপিসোডটা শুরু করার আগে আপনারা আমাদের 14th এপিসোডের রিক্যাপ দেখেছিলেন। আমরা চেষ্টা করব প্রত্যেকটা এপিসোডে ছোট করে রিক্যাপ দেওয়ার, যাতে সবার মনে থাকে যে আমরা আগের দিন কি করেছিলাম। তো আমরা শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ এ বায়োগ্রাফি থেকে প্রিস্ট at দক্ষিণেশ্বর টেম্পলে শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ অ্যাজ এ প্রিস্ট এই পার্টটির সেকেন্ড পার্টটি করছি। এপিসোড 15, শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ অ্যাজ এ প্রিস্ট, পার্ট 2। He fortifies the place of worship against the evil forces by drawing around it circles of water and fire. He awakens the different spiritual centers of the body and invokes the Supreme Spirit in his heart. Then he transfers the Supreme Spirit to the image before him and worship the image, regarding it no longer as clay or stone, but as the embodiment of spirit throbbing with life and consciousness. After the worship, the Supreme Spirit is recalled from the image to its true sanctuary, the heart of priest. The real devotee knows the absurdity of worshipping the transcendental reality with the material articles, clothing, that which pervades the whole universe and the beyond, putting on a pedestal. That which cannot be limited by space, feeding that which is disembodied, be limited by space, disembodied and incorporeal, singing before that whose glory the music of spheres tries vainly to proclaim. So all this part is basically talking about the how one that priests like Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, who have attained the highest form of the bhakti yoga, how they perform, how how they perform the puja. So that has been told. But through these rites, the devotee aspires to go ultimately beyond rites and rituals, forms and names, words and praise, and to realize God as the all pervading consciousness. Hindu priests are thoroughly acquainted with the rites of worship, but few of them are aware of their underlying significance. They move their hands and limbs mechanically in obedience to the letter of the scriptures and repeat the holy mantra like parrots. But from the very beginning, the inner meaning of these rites was revealed to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev. As he sat facing the image, a strange transformation came over his mind. While going through the prescribed ceremonies, he would actually find himself encircled by a wall of fire protecting him, the place of worship from unspiritual vibrations, or he would feel the rising of the mystic Kundalini through the different centers of the body, the glow on his face, the deep absorption, the intense atmosphere of the temple impressed everyone who saw him worship the deity. This was today's part. Sri Ramakrishna as a priest at Dakshineshwar temple, part 2. Next day, we will bring the part 3. And I think that will be the last part of this segment. So, with this, we will end today's session by taking Bhagavan's name and by touching the feet of Thakurma and Swamiji. Namaskar. Thank you.
জয় জয় রামকৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা কল্পতরু জয় জয় ভগবান জগতের গুরু জয় জয় রামকৃষ্ণ অখিলের স্বামী জয় জয় গুরু মাতা জগত জননী